1/2 cup tamarind water imli ka pani, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 cup mint leaves, 1/3 tablespoon chili, 1/3 tablespoon salt, 1 green chili. Grind for a while it. Sauce is ready. 1 tablespoon oil, 1 beaten egg, salt to taste, black pepper as required. Bread for burger. Toast burger from both sides. Prepared sauce as required or 2 TBS. Ketchup as required. Fried egg. 1 tikki Shami kebab. Check out Shami Burger Recipe on my channel. Cabbage, onion, mayonnaise. If you like my video, subscribe my channel. Believe me, it was very yummy.